Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are heading to the antique store and I'm going to be taking you to my favorite antique store here in my local area. It's the same three-story one that I share with you guys pretty much every time I go antiquing. They always have some really good things, and I've already filmed, and I am sharing a very mini haul at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that. But if you are new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and here on my channel I share all things intentional living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, and I hit really hard on the decorating and the thrifting. So if you'd missed my last video, I went to the thrift store, I went to Goodwill, Salvation Army, and then we came back here to my house. I did a big thrift haul, talked about some fall DIYs that I'm planning to do next month, and did some like clothing try on hauls, lots of things. So be sure to check that out. But in today's video, we are specifically going antiquing. And I love going antiquing because I love finding like just really unique pieces. I love like that old world feel and just bringing in those really like lived in curated pieces. So that is something that I strive to do here in our home. I am really drawn to like timeless pieces and whatnot. And I think just having fun with that and keeping an eye out for unique pieces is just right up my alley. So anyways, if that is your thing too, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. But without further ado, let's head to the antique store and then we're gonna come right back here for a haul. This antique store truly is one of my all-time favorites here in our area. It is 3 floors, so obviously it is quite large. They have a ton to choose from, literally something for everyone, every single style. There's so much. So I love coming here at least once a month. That's typically my goal because of course booths are ever changing, and I love coming here during the seasonal months, as in like fall and Christmas, like more those holiday months, I guess. Love coming in here because there's so many unique things. So I will definitely be coming back as fall approaches, and I could tell the day that I went there was some things that were kind of changing out, and they had a lot in here, but it was more of your standard decor, and I was looking for more unique things that I could find for fall decorating. So I will definitely be coming back. Be on the lookout for another antique video. But what they did have today was really good. They had some great staples. They had lots of brass pieces, lots of crocks, tons of furniture to choose from, and like I said, truly something for everyone. But for today's video, I'm going to be playing some music. I hope you guys sit back and relax and enjoy this video. Hopefully you are drinking a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, having some good snacks, and just going antiquing with me. I hope you guys enjoy today's video and enjoy shopping. back from the antique store. Side note, if the footage looks a little different, it's because my camera died and now I'm filming on my phone. But we are doing a haul now. So I did go to another antique store aside from the one that I filmed at for today's video a couple of weeks ago. And I found this beautiful tray. So I have been keeping an eye out for one of these for quite some time. I found it at an antique store a few weeks ago, didn't buy it, and then went back a couple weeks later and purchased it. So the booth that I got this in had them on sale, like their entire booth was 20% off. And I originally thought that this was $18. Turns out it was $10 and then the 20% off. So I got it for only $8. And it does have like a really pretty mirror on here, and then it has the brass detail on the side. So this is more than likely going to be going on my coffee table for fall. And my idea is to style it with some type of really pretty vase, but I'm going to use this one as an example for today because this also came from an antique store. This one came from the antique store that I filmed at in today's video. So I love this. It has like a grid pattern, and the colors are beautiful. So of course, when I use this for fall, I'm going to be changing out all the foliage, but just to give you guys an idea, like this is stunning in my opinion. And I think that this would be so beautiful with like some tall candlesticks next to it or something, but I think it is so pretty. So that is everything that I have for the haul portion of today's video. I didn't end up buying anything at the antique store that I went to film at, but those are two really recent antique finds that I can't wait to incorporate into our home for fall. But yes, so if you guys like all things intentional living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, if you're into the antiquing, all of that, and just making your home feel very lived in and cozy using your own specific style, then you're definitely in the right place. Don't forget to hit the bell notification, that way you're notified every time I post. Definitely subscribe if you are not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.